Campground. It's near the beach. So stay with us to see what we do in our camping. showers and flush toilets. The facilities are really good. It's clean enough. It's clean enough for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they had the free firewood.
There are free firewood here, so it really worth.
Yeah. So we booked a large campsite. It's $70. We can have 2 vehicles.
Yeah.
I think it's worth the money with all the free firewood and the park.
In
Pass
200
entry is
meters,
also
slide
provided.
right onto Green Patch Road.
So yeah, now we are going to see the cave beach and then we'll head home. So we'll see you in another travel video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in another travel video.